Right. Okay, you guys, and for the last exercise, write a program to search a treasure. Oh man, this is really easy. Really easy. Like, right or left. This is very similar to the pizza order. So input for direction. And here we just have to make like this. This is a true. Wait. True. Place it like this. Copy paste it. Oh wait, not. Right. And here we have a false one. If it's false, the game is over. Print game over. If it's true, input next question. Next question. And we repeat this process all over again. So we have to say first question will be input left or right, which yeah, left or right. Second question is. And we have how many? One, go left, and this is it. The last one. Left, swim or wait. Which door want to enter? Right? Third question. And after this, we just play with if statements. If first question will equal if they go right, the game is over. If the first question is left, and second question is wait, and third question is yellow. Print U1 elif first question will equal. Oh man, I have a lot of left and second question is wait and wait. I think I can create right here a nested if. If first question is, let me see, else game over. Yeah, but there are some more options here. Oh, come on. If first question will equal left, and the second question is swim. Print game over. Question is left. Is wait. And the third question is, let me see. Blue, red, or third question equals blue. Print game is over. Else print game is over. Looks interesting. Let me test it. Okay, let's see. Okay, right here. Which direction do you want to go? Right. You know what? Okay. Left. I want to swim. Okay, so the game is not ending there. It should end. Yeah, it's the same thing. So it's like line 9. I want to swim. It's not terminating. I don't get it. If I don't get it. Yeah, this is why it shows my third question. That is why it's showing me the third question. Let me go back here. Okay, let's test it. So I go left, I go weight and yellow. Print. Man, this problem seems so simple. Simple problems are the trickiest. Wait a second. You won. So that is the only option to win. Meaning that I can place an else statement. Printing game over. Exactly. Yeah, good. Good. Perfect. This is the answer, right? We have only one way to win. We have to declare that, and any other combination is lost. Jesus Christ, man, this was so easy. Let me think a bit. Yes, that's it. So if you go right, left is the only answer here. Wait, left, wait. And yellow wins. We have to declare it right here. And anything else is game over. Man, this was so cool. I love it. Ah, right here we had an input, right? I was so so in a hurry to write this code. I'm so excited when I try new exercises. Anyway, so this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one with some crazy cool projects, and take care. Bye.